Hello you guys, and welcome back to Next to Godliness. I'm Brittany and I'm so happy to have you here. If you are new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell, and leave me a comment so I can put a face and name with a new subscribe number. We are almost to 100 subscribers, you guys, and I would be so happy if we could get there. So today's video is going to be a clean with me, and I have an update for you guys. Why is this drawer open? Not filming that again. I do have an update about the house. In my last video, no, 2 videos ago, I told you guys that we would be going home like in a couple days from then, and well, we found out that's not going to happen. We're going to be here for at least 2 more weeks, possibly 3. But I do have Jason brought me my vacuum. I have been wanting this thing so bad. I didn't bring the charger for it because I'm pretty sure I'm not going to need it. Watch me be wrong and watch the battery run out after like 2 days. I'm going to be so mad. That is exactly what happened, and it died while I was recording this video, and I had to go a few days without being able to vacuum. Jason actually took our baby over to see his mom, her grandma, and to do some laundry. While some people might not think this is expensive, I, and he does too, think that it's very expensive. $16 for 2 loads of laundry. And the first time he went and did the laundry, actually it charged me $30. It charged me $15 twice. And the next day it was fixed, thank God. All right guys, so I'm gonna let you go ahead and watch this clean with me, and I will see you guys in a second. All right guys, so I'm just gonna start off by cleaning up all the most obvious things, all the trash, all the things that are just out of place and need to be put back where they come from. And then we will be moving on to other parts of the room. I will say that you will be seeing my outfit change several times in this video because I literally had to just throw all of the times that I clean over the course of a week into this video. And so I really do want to hear from you guys and have you tell me, would you rather me just do like a video where I'm showing you parts of my day and then the cleaning as well, or do you like it where the cleaning is all in one video and then the stuff that I'm doing throughout the day is in a vlog all by itself? I can do a video where I mix the two. I think I could do it pretty cohesively to where it looks good and there won't be too much of either. I think it could be good, but I will put together a video to show you guys and you guys can tell me what you prefer. So the reason I had to get up on this bed is because I needed to dust out because it had been a few days, and this is before I got my vacuum cleaner. So I needed to dust it out. And so I dusted it out, and then while I was up there, I just went ahead and spread it out the best I could. And now I'm just gonna have to go back and forth several times to get this huge bed looking the best it can. And I must say that when the bed is made in this room, the room can be so messy. And if the bed is made in this room, you really just don't see the rest of the mess. It's crazy.
I used to be so good at planning things. Since I met you, I threw my plans away. Coffee at night and 10 a.m. champagne. We can spend a week in London or LA. Yeah, there's something about the way we get lost in every moment, perfectly unfocused. Nothing's quite the same as you and me, baby. I love it when we're wasting time, laughing until we cry, yeah. I get so caught up with you. Late night drives, staying up till sunrise, yeah. I don't care, baby, you choose. 'Cause minutes turn to hours, hours turn to days. Never knew that it could be this way. Yeah, you know it's true. I don't care what we do, yeah. I'll waste my time with you. One look from you, I swear that's all it takes, yeah. I'll clear the cat like it's a holiday. Our favorite show keeps us in bed all day, yeah. Tuesday through Monday and I'm still unfazed. Yeah, there's something about the way we get lost in every moment, perfectly unfocused. Nothing's quite until we cry, yeah. I get so caught up with you. Late night drives, staying up till sunrise, yeah. I don't care, baby, you choose.
So I finally started going through one of the boxes of baby clothes that I need to put on Makari. I ended up letting Jason take the rest of them back except for this one box because I thought we were only going to be here for a few more days at the time. That was over 2 weeks ago because we ended up having to stay way longer and we're still going to be here for a whole nother week. But I did end up finishing one box and I got it all separated, organized, and photographed, and I still need to add them to Makari, but it did take me quite a bit of time to get these separated.
'Cause minutes turn to hours, hours turn to days. Never knew that it could be this way. Yeah, you know it's true. I don't care what we do, yeah. I'll waste my time with you. Wasting time, happening till we cry. Oh yeah, I get so caught up with you. Never knew that drives, staying up till sunrise. I don't care, baby, you choose. 'Cause minutes turn to hours, hours turn to days. Never knew that it could be this way. Yeah, you know it's true. I don't care what we do, yeah. I waste my time with you. I waste my time with you. I don't care what we do. I waste my time with you.
Dawn Power Wash is the best thing that I have, especially right now with me, to get the spots out of clothes. So that's what I did. And now I'm using my Dawn Power Wash, and I do this even when I'm not in a hotel. I use it to clean my brushes. I let it sit there for like 5 minutes on each one, and then I rinse it out, and there's no actual scrubbing or anything to get the buildup from your hair and stuff off the brushes. It really does clean my brushes effortlessly and so well. So I took it upon myself to go ahead and clean this bathroom after I had cleaned my brushes and I had Dawn Power Wash already on the countertops. I also needed to clean my face steamer because that bad boy was gross. But yeah, so I went ahead and cleaned that and then cleaned the countertops as well. guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, share this video with someone that needs to see it, or your friends and family. Comment down in the comment section. I'd love to put a name and face with the new subscribe number, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.